Impzです。Hey, what's up, konnichiwa. So in this video, more cool stuff from Kotobukiya Collection 2023. And in this video, we take a look at the Kotobukiya ARTFX J, Chainsaw Man, and Makima. And, okay, Chainsaw Man Denji is coming out in June of 2023 at a price of 18,480 yen, which is 18,480 yen, and it's a 1/8 scale figure. Makima is coming out in July of 2023 at a price of 16,280 yen, or 16,280 yen. And this is also 1/8 scale. But yeah, very cool stuff. And I think Kotobukiya is also making a power. So power is on the way as well. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. Feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe. And see you again soon. どうもありがとうございます。また会いましょう。じゃあね、うっす。Thanks for watching.